Hi guys.
We have the last box.
Last box that we have right now.
Yeah.
We still haven't sleeved. Okay, we sleeved these, but we haven't put these in the binder yet.
Yep.
And so far it's been what, 7 pulls a box, right? 6. The last one was 6, right?
Yeah.
1,
No,
2,
7.
3, 4, 5. 6. Yeah, 6 or 7. Doesn't matter.
It's 7.
7 pulls per box. Quite standard, yeah.
Yes, I opened it for you.
1. Well done. Practice round, yeah.
This time you can have packs.
This time I can have packs, yeah.
Here you go.
Because the girls are not opening and hiding half the packs. But today's deal is that we don't hide any packs, we just go through the packs. Oh no, you have to hide the packs, yeah. Just wait until I start opening the packs and start hiding them, yeah? Straight away. So we want to find at least one alt art, right?
Yep.
I did it wrong again. See? Oh, this is hopeless. I can't help. Okay. 3P, right?
Yep. That's Drizzle.
Sorry, Drizzle. Why did I say 3P? 3P is the other guy,
Yeah,
right?
that's the one.
Keep confusing these guys, yeah? Okay, this is like an ultimate test. You got something there. Please be something new, yeah? Not a Blaziken VMax, yeah?
It's a VMax, full art, or rainbow rare, or an alt art.
When you say it like that, it's definitely gonna be a Blaziken. Alright, Gunther. Lantern. Passimian. And a Scrafty.
This one has something. I know it. I can feel it in my bones.
Your spider sense is tingling.
Yeah.
This
See,
lady.
I have a spider action.
Oh, you came prepared, yeah?
Yeah.
Herder, right? Herdier.
Herdier.
Herdier. Carvania.
Look at this.
Slow motion. Dun, 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 dun.
Another one.
Trackers of what? I give up.
I want to mash this card, man.
You don't mash the card, but I mean, it's literally the third one, right?
Or maybe sell it.
Your spider sense went super crazy and it was the same damn card. Okay, Duck Trio.
Don't worry about it. I want to sell it.
Hatena. Roggerola, right? Blaziken VMax.
No, it isn't.
Seviper and Hatren, right?
Yeah. I'm going to say the same thing again. Full
Yeah.
art, VMax, or
Please be a full art or maybe a secret rare.
or a
Clara.
rainbow rare or secret rare. It
Tentacool.
can also be
Woobat.
the alt art. Cupful. Look at this. Slow motion.
Ooh, that's a nice one. At least
A new card.
a new card. Where's the V? There's the V and the VMax, right?
Yep.
Ah, look at this. Happy Dragon. But again, the V card is nicer than the
Than the
VMax. Same thing as with the Slowking, yeah. It's a very interesting situation with the V cards. Actually much nicer than the VMax. Go figure. Horn. Lantern. It's my electric lantern. There we go. Gunther, aka Delibird.
Larvesta.
Ooh, this one we haven't pulled yet, have we?
No, we did, I think.
We got a Swoobat already. I think that we didn't get a Swoobat. Okay, I made a mess already. Never mind.
Tentacool.
Yeah, Tentacruel is nice.
Very, very cool Pokemon.
Yes. Alright.
Chinchou.
Chinchou.
Passimian.
Again. Must be something, yeah? We have Braviary. And an Articuno V.
I have Spider Sense.
Your Spider Sense has gone crazy
See,
again.
all 3 of these pulls were from me. There's a 4th one in this pack. There's something really
Really rare.
It's telling me that it has an alt art.
Tentacruel.
Somehow.
Not Larvesta. It was Larvesta. Not what was this one? Volca.
Larvesta.
That was Larvesta. You see, this one I got right.
Burpath, what Sophia says.
Burr.
Yeah.
Okay,
It has-
Braviary.
I'm going to get my sleeve ready.
It's a VMax.
I think it's Moltres. Oh, Slowking. What? It's a pull, right?
And it's a pull. The same pull. Every single pack has the same damn Pokemon, man. But no Blaziken yet, yeah? At least there's no Blaziken this time around. Oh my goodness.
That one thing
Okay, I'm gonna rip this pack.
I'm going to pull this card.
Which one?
This.
Okay, go for it. While I sort this
Lantern.
one. Not Lantern.
Farfetch.
Okay, Lantern. This one is one of the nicer cards in
I
this
like this
set.
solo.
It's a very, very nice solo.
Hatena. And the
And
Hatred.
Hatren. Alright.
Okay. Venipede. No, Venipede. Squirrelipede or something. Like
Okay. Got Weedle.
I need to check my Pokemon format.
Yeah, no. There's homework required.
Yeah.
Burpuff.
They
Piglet.
got Hollow. Runerigus.
Runerigus. Actually, I'm putting this all over the place, man. What's wrong? What's wrong? Okay. This guy.
Yamask.
Yamask we know. Lantern we know.
Venipede. Ooh, what's that hollow? Oh,
Bobby Drill.
Beedrill we never put that.
That's the funny thing about this type of set when you got only 70 cards in the base set. At the end of the box you would have seen most of it. Maybe just aside from few hollows. But then basically chasing all of oh my goodness, there's something there. A Peach.
This one's even crazier.
Even crazier. And then it's the Blaziken VMax.
It's not.
Blaziken VMax. Gunther.
You keep saying that.
Delibird. I'm gonna speak it into existence.
Corona.
Ooh. I will stop here for a second and say this.
Is the station from?
It's beautiful artwork.
What was that place called? Yeah.
The station in the what's the
North
place?
Tundra.
Yeah, Ground Tundra.
Oh yeah.
North Tundra, Ground Tundra. I can't remember.
Yeah, I cannot remember his name somehow.
Dark Trio. So this was something, right?
Yeah.
Ooh, bad.
Tilly.
The Tilly.
Get myself ready. Cup full. Look at this. Oh, art.
3,
2, 1.
Go! Oh!
Full art.
Full art Zapdos though. But look at that though.
That's a beautiful card.
It is a beautiful card.
Told you, man.
At least something new. Something new. But no, but that means that there's not gonna be alternative art on this one.
No, it will. It can still have.
Don't think so though.
Somebody put
If you have a full, if you get the full art, you will not. You
somebody
should,
put secret rare and alternative art.
same box.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's good. I haven't checked any content on this particular box, so I don't know.
Carvania.
I just speak based on past experience with past boxes from Japan.
Zangoose.
This is nice Zangoose art though.
Yep.
Like he knows what he's doing.
Heracross and
The guy whose name we still don't know.
this guy.
This guy. Oh. I ruined it. Oh, I ruined it already. It's a nice looking holo though. Nice holo Urshifu.
And let's check the rest of the cards. Can't have anything good.
No, didn't have. Put them
I feel
there.
like the only cards we're missing are some hollows.
Holos? You mean
Or the
from the basic
basic.
cards? You don't need to touch the cards again, try to hold something. Okay, you pull that one.
Sharpedo.
Zangoose.
You messed it up.
Is it?
Yeah.
Too bad.
Petilli.
A
Who's
lady.
this girl? Yeah.
It's a lady.
Okay. Whatever.
A lady. Horn. See, it's all messed up totally. This one belongs here though.
Yeah. Lilipop.
Lollipop. Survivor.
Heracross.
Heracross. No freaking way. If anyone likes Blazikens, we have a lot of Blazikens. Okay, wait, hold on.
Wait, what's
Texture
that?
is interesting
Texture,
though.
Weird texture, man.
Yeah, look at that. This is new.
Is this some? Why does it feel like a full art texture?
It's different. That's why. I was about to say, look at it. It's very different.
Or something?
No, I don't think so. I think it's just that
Yeah, this one also.
yeah, it's a
Now
bit
I thought
different.
just now the article was like, oh, it's a
It
full
fooled
art.
you. I want to find a secret rare Snorlax.
Yeah, that's like the cool card.
It's a cool card, man. Or at least it's one of the alternative arts. Okay, we got the full arts though,
It's
so
a
that's
secret
nice.
Rare.
Yeah, that's fine.
6 pulls.
Got
Farfetch.
Peach Tree, Farfetch.
Messed it up again.
Yeah, it's okay. Carvania, Scraggy,
Hatchel. And
Hatram.
what the? Oh.
There was nothing else there. I threw the pack. The pack wanted to escape. How many pulls is it already?
6.
Statistically, there's only one left.
There's 2 more packs left. What? That's the last.
2 more packs left, but statistically, only one more pull.
Yep. Kakuna.
Kuna. Very good looking art also. I think the artwork on this one is nice.
Sobble. Venipede. In case. Oh no. It's Thunderous.
Not Thunderous.
Sophia likes Thundurus.
Yeah, Sophia does like Thundurus. But Thundurus is a pretty cool Pokemon though.
Yeah.
It's
Not that
it's funny that I think in the upcoming set though they're gonna have a Thundurus VMax if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah.
The next one.
Tornadoes.
Tornadoes VMax.
I don't know why, but Thundurus is never like the.
Yeah, that's what I was about to say. That actually for the skill of the Pokemon, it's never really high.
Yeah.
Came back again, yeah.
Don't come and make the noise.
Screen
she's
time.
taking her iPad.
Sophia came back for her iPad, yeah.
Okay.
Came here just for an iPad.
Oh,
Okay.
Your iPad.
Very good. There goes my iPad.
My iPad.
Very good. All right, Swoobat.
Antenna. Rufflet.
This guy. Oh, there was another one there.
You forgot to close the door.
Last pack.
Magic. I think it will be something.
Could be. The 7th pull lies within this pack. Can you sense it?
Let me sense it.
Okay, go for it. I'm gonna be disappointed if there isn't.
Oh my god, there's something. Quickly pull the cards. It's a full art VMAX or something. No, I promise you.
Okay. Woobat. Let me focus this one. We gotta slow things down a bit, yeah? Tentacool. Alright. No way. Every single box. There are few constants in all of these boxes, and one of them is this guy.
Oh my god, slow kings for everyone, man.
I mean, it's like a Slowking overdose already. It's a nice card, but too much is too much. That's all I'm saying.
Nobody likes it when it's too much.
Which pack is this? This is today's pack, is it? Okay. So Track Assault V, definitely one of the nicest artworks
Wait,
in
I
the
think
set.
this is the one.
Yeah, I think we're looking at the wrong pack here. All right, so here we go.
Baba.
Yes.
You know how many packs are in here?
I don't know.
10 packs.
Serious? Oh, I might have to censor that one. That example.
Bad boy. Bad boy. Throw this away, please.
Got me again. Oh my god. I will have to start watching these videos in more detail to start picking up your tricks.
Yep.
Because I fall for the same damn trap every single time. Fool me once, fool me twice,
Fool me thrice.
fool me 100 more times.
Thrice.
But the nice thing is that we still have a chance to get something else.
Alternative art. You can get it still.
We can. And we can get the secret rare. This guy. Tentacool. And Surfetch.
Okay, I think
I like it better when you open it. My spider sense. Oh my god. It's probably a holo.
it's not.
Okay, Sharpedo. We have
Chincho.
Dun. We have Whirlipede. Dun.
There's something I'm telling you. Oh,
It's a
don't tell me
VMax.
it's another one.
Blaziken VMax.
Moltres.
Oh,
You
Moltres.
can take that.
I don't mind this at all. It's a nice card.
Here's the pack.
But that means we have like 8 pulls already from this one, right?
This may be one of our. This is our best.
The best
box.
box so far, yeah? Okay, ready?
Yes. Stoutland Jr.
Stoutland Jr.
Zangoose. That's Stoutland's son.
Carvania. Stoutland's son.
Birdpuff.
Birdpuff and the Dugtrio. Is it really Birdpuff or not? Okay,
I don't
you
think
just give
so.
that to me. I don't think
Just
it just
say.
came up with the name. All right, this guy. We got
Lillipup.
what's going on? We have Yamask, Galarian type, Seviper, and
The guy. This guy is a boy, just that he has long
it's
hair.
a very girly guy. Something there. Really? Are you just
The call.
pulling my chain?
No, there is a call.
You need to put some effects for your spider sense. My spider sense is tingling. All right, we have
I might be
Weedle. Might be wrong, yeah?
Yeah.
You have
You can
have
never
been
always
wrong
be
before.
right.
Yeah, never 100%. Yeah, Sabol.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know what color was that.
Few packs left. Okay. Weird armor.
Antenna. Yeah, the armor's pretty weird, man.
Yeah. All right. What's this one? Volcarona. You can say Rockarola, Volcarona, Kapfu, and Shaming.
Okay.
Nothing there, yeah?
I'm going to open the last pack.
And let's hope that there's something there.
Okay,
Clara.
Heracross.
Heracross. We have Woobat.
I feel something. I feel like this is a V.
It's a V card.
Yeah.
Yeah? You could be right. Or you could be wrong.
Okay, Slurpuff. This guy, Venipede.
Venipede.
Chinchou. Roggarola.
It's a hollow Urshifu. It's okay, I'll take it. That's hilarious though. No more. Last pack still. Okay, I'll take one pack, you take one. No, actually you open both. It's more entertaining when you open the packs. You came up with the trick just to open the packs, didn't you? Oh no, you want to practice your spider sense. Okay, what we got so far? Moltres. We have this guy and this guy every single time. But this was pretty good though.
Why do I feel like there's something really, really good in this pack?
Why do you feel like it?
It feels something.
Yes, a basic card.
Oh.
As crafty. This one has something on
I
this one.
feel like it does.
Dun 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 dun.
Or
Nothing
maybe
there.
it doesn't. Yep, nothing. Trainer. Some cards are just very, very glossy. Wait, what card is it?
It's the same one. It's the same ones that we got already so many times. That's it.
8 pulls.
8 pulls. So best so far, yeah. Out of the 3 boxes, 8 pulls. Super happy about this one.
Pull of the day
is this one. Zapdos, full art, looking pretty magnificent, yeah. We got the Articuno, that's pretty nice.
We got Archie of the birds.
Yeah, so that's some, yeah. Tracheozolt is pretty good too. This one's so nice, yeah. It's a very interesting decision to make the V cards nicer than the VMaxes, yeah. Look at that. It's almost like alternative art, you know.
Yep.
Good looking stuff. So, Matchless Fighters, pretty good.
Yep. Cannot complain.
Cannot complain. Will we buy more of Matchless Fighters?
Might.
Not sure. Might buy, might not buy. But we'll definitely buy the English version when that comes out in maybe 1 or 2 months. I think 1 month's time.
Hunt down the Snorlax.
Hunt down the Snorlax. We
That's
do want to
like
find the Snorlax.
Best pull for us.
Snorlax and
The birds.
the birds, alternative art birds. And what else? The Blaziken alternative art is pretty good as well.
That was cool, the VMax.
Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna put these cards to binder. And that's that for today. Thanks so much for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.
Leave a comment.
Share and hit the notification bell.
That's right. See ya.
Bye.
Bye.